Listen, I make over $400,000 per month selling social media services to small businesses. Seriously, social media management is our core offer, and we go through the same exact process for every single client. And now we're using AI to deliver better content faster than ever before. Take a look at this. That's an AI video of me as a yoga studio owner giving a tip.
Runner's lunge, keeping the right knee stacked over the ankle. Let that front knee stay directly above the heel. Lower the back knee down with control. Inhale, sweep your right arm up. Exhale, rotate toward the front leg, chest open.
And here's an AI video of me as a dog groomer showing you how to brush out a matted coat.
Up in small sections. Use a detangling spray. Go slow. Your dog will actually let you finish for once. And if the mat is really bad, just book a mobile groom. I'll come right to your driveway.
To create these videos, I use the same exact process, the same AI tools, same workflow, and the same prompt structures. I just swap in the business owner's face, their tips, and it's done. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I do this and why businesses pay $1,000 a month for it. But first, let me refresh my payment processor just so you can see I'm not lying about how much we make. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there we go. Over $400,000 in revenue, we have about 300 active clients, and we charge around $1,000 a month. That's where we're at right now. So let me break down what I'm gonna cover. I'm gonna show you exactly what we sell and why it's the same thing every time. Then I'm gonna show you live examples of businesses that need this so bad it hurts. And then I'm gonna show you how we actually get these people to pay us every single month without them ever wanting to leave. Chapter 1. What we sell and why it's always the same. Now here's where most people starting an online business mess up, and it's the reason I almost didn't make it either. Everyone out there is telling you to sell high ticket services. They tell you to charge $3,000 to $5,000 a month. And like, I get it, the math sounds sexy, but here's the problem. When you're just starting out, you have very little proof, minimum case studies, and a big lack of trust and authority. A plumber making $200,000 a year isn't going to pay you $5,000 a month for AI automation unless you're the top guy in the industry. Think about it. That's already 30% of their profit margin. What we do is a little different. We charge around $1,000 per month, which is the sweet spot. Is high enough that you can make serious money, but low enough that any decent local business can afford it without needing a lot of convincing. The whole point of what I do is recurring revenue. I don't want a business that's up and down every single month where I'm stressing about whether or not I'm gonna make money next month. I want a business that looks like a staircase going up, not a roller coaster. And the way you do that is you start with something businesses can actually afford. You deliver results and they keep paying you every month. So let me explain what we do. Social media management has always been the core of our business. That's what we started with years ago, and that's still what we sell today. The difference is how we deliver it now. We used to have a whole team of people creating content for every client. It worked, but it was slow and expensive. Recently, we pivoted into using AI to create the content faster and better with fewer people. The service stayed the same, but the delivery method completely changed. And that's what made it way more profitable and way more scalable. Now, if you're just starting out, here's the easiest foot in the door offer I've ever seen, and it's what I recommend to everyone. You create an AI clone video of a business owner. You take their face and you make a short video of them giving tips about their actual business using AI. Then you reach out and say, hey, I made this AI video of you, wanna see it? And they almost always say yes because they've heard of anything like it. On the call, you show them a small sample of the AI clone content and they're blown away. If you're brand new with no clients, you offer a 14-day free trial to build trust. Once you have some experience and case studies, you skip the trial and just ask for payment right there. Now, at our level, we've been doing this for years, so we get hundreds of inbound leads every month contacting us for our services. We don't do outreach anymore, but the offer is still the same. $1,000 a month for 3 social media posts per week. Sometimes it's an AI clone of the business owner. Sometimes it's their mascot. Sometimes it's a different content style depending on the business. We create all kinds of social media content for small businesses, but AI clones are the hottest offer right now and the easiest to sell, which is why I recommend leading with that. In fact, one of our regular viewers already landed a client using this method saying, I already sold this service to a local client from watching your old video. But the way you make this offer even more irresistible is that you include software, which is high level and that handles all their client management, their follow-ups, their reviews, all of it. And here's the other thing that people don't talk about. When you clone the business owner and their face is showing up on social media giving tips and being helpful, their friends and family start hitting them up about it. They're like, man, I saw your video on Instagram. That was so cool. The business owner loves that because they feel like a celebrity, and that alone keeps them paying every single month because they enjoy the attention and the credibility it gives them. By the way, we use High Level to manage our agency and all our clients. If you go to SeanStanberry.com or click the link in the description, you get my full AI business blueprint course for free. You also get templates, resources, and a free trial of the tool. Shameless plug, but it would mean a lot if you used it. Okay, let me keep going because this next part is really important. Chapter 2, live proof. Why businesses are desperate for this. Let's go to Google right now and just search for a real business. I'm gonna type in dog groomers in Atlanta. All right, so Google Maps is pulling up a bunch of dog groomers in my area. Let me just scroll through a few of these and see what we find. Okay, let's look at this one. Jade's Mobile Pet Grooming. So right away you can see this is a real business. They've got reviews coming in as recently as a month ago. They're clearly still open, still working, still doing their thing. Now let me go check their Instagram. Okay, now look at this. You can tell they do good work. Like the grooming itself looks great. But look at how inconsistent the posting is. They've gone years without posting, years, and then maybe a post here or there and then nothing again. This business is clearly still running because the Google reviews are recent, but their social media is basically dead. And that's the thing. This isn't a bad business. They're doing good work. People are leaving them reviews, but nobody's seeing them on social media. Nobody's scrolling Instagram and thinking, oh, I should book Jade to come groom my dog because they're invisible online, even though they're great at what they do. And the cool part about a mobile grooming business like this is there's so much content you could make. You could feature their mobile truck pulling up to someone's house. You could show before and afters of the dogs. You could clone the owner giving quick grooming tips from inside the truck. Like, the content practically writes itself. Now let me show you what that could look like. Watch this.
If your dog's fur gets matted, don't just yank a brush through it. Start from the ends and work your way up in small sections. Use a detangling spray. Go slow. Your dog will actually let you finish for once. And if the mat is really bad, just book a mobile groom. I'll come right to your driveway.
That took me about 2 minutes to make in Sora. And here's a small piece of the prompt I used. Character as a mobile dog groomer standing next to a bright, clean mobile grooming truck wearing a colorful grooming apron. You can pause the video right now to see the full prompt on screen. Now imagine you're a dog owner in Atlanta scrolling Instagram. You see a page that hasn't posted in years versus one where the groomer is on camera 3 times a week, giving you tips, showing the truck, showing happy dogs after they're groomed. Which one are you gonna book? It's not even close. And the groomer didn't have to do anything. They didn't have to learn how to edit video. They didn't have to think of content ideas. They didn't have to stop grooming dogs to sit down and film something. We did all of it for them using AI. That's the real value. And like, you can do this yourself right now. Go to Google, search for any local business in your city, and then go look at their social media. And I'll bet you 7 out of 10 of them either have terrible social media or they haven't posted in months, maybe years. Because remember, these business owners are running their business all day. They're grooming dogs, they're teaching classes, they're fixing cars. They don't have time to sit down and learn how to make videos and come up with content ideas and post 3 times a week. They're never gonna do it. And that's where you come in. Now, here's the part that determines whether you build a real business or just create a temporary side hustle. Chapter 3, why clients don't leave. The reason our clients' retention is good is because we're not just posting content for them. We're integrated into their entire business. When you use high level, you're managing their follow-ups, their reviews, their email and text nurture sequences, everything. So imagine a potential customer sees one of our AI videos on Instagram, they click the link in their bio, they land on a page we built, they fill out a form, and our system automatically texts that lead back within seconds. The business owner didn't have to do anything. They just got a notification on their phone that says, hey, you got a new lead, and they're already being followed up with. That's the power of combining AI content with automated systems. You're not just a content creator at that point. You're the backbone of how they get customers. And this right here is inside high level, which is what we use to manage all of our clients. If you want to see exactly how to set up a comment to DM automation that we use for our clients, I'll link that video at the end so you can watch it after you finish. Now, let me show you why I love this business model. Chapter 4, the recurring revenue flywheel. When you start acquiring clients, obviously you're going to lose some along the way. That's just business. But here's the thing. Over time, there are some clients that are just going to keep paying month after month, year after year, because they love the content, their friends are commenting on it, they're getting leads, and they're using the system every day. So the way I like to look at it is like you're stacking Tetris blocks. And even if you lose one, what happens? It gets replaced by a new one. You lose one, it gets replaced by a new one. And you just keep stacking this unbelievable base of recurring revenue month after month after month. And then one day you look up and you're at 100 clients paying you $1,000 a month. And you're not worried about how much you're gonna make next month because, you know, it's most likely gonna be within a certain range. That's the most beautiful thing about this business model, the recurring revenue. And I know this might seem complicated right now, but trust me, I had 0 tech skills when I started. I was a college grad who couldn't even get hired at a regular job. I sent out hundreds of applications to literally anything and nothing worked. I felt completely stuck. Like I did everything I was supposed to do and it still wasn't working. So I started figuring stuff out on my own from my bedroom. So if you're sitting here thinking you're not smart enough for this or you don't have the tech skills, stop. I wasn't smart enough either. I just started. And now I'm at over $400,000 a month. I'm not saying that to brag. I'm saying that because if I can do this, there's no reason you can't do it too. The only difference between where you are and where I am is I just started. Coming up next, I'm going to show you a simple automation that we use to convert our clients' followers into leads and appointments, and I'll see you over there.